It's a journey that encompasses a lot of things that came before, and now it's all sort of come together. It's like everything connects. So here we are in this amazing space, and we've got art, and we've got cars, and we've got friends, and that seems to make sense now, you know?
He came by my studio and he saw my work, and when I met John, like I had this connection, so it's like a divine connection.
This is truly unique African artwork, and to put that in a big space with flashy, beautiful cars actually makes a lot of sense.
We started up a little car rental company about 8 years ago with a few little cars, and now we've got luxury prestige sports cars, fun cars, amazing cars, stylish cars, SUVs, and we've got this wonderful opportunity to sell art as well.
It's phenomenal. I mean, the vehicles and the artwork, they just seem to go so well together. And it's something you don't see every day, you know, fancy vehicles and amazing art that just, it's mind-blowing.
I was always an artist at art. It's an interesting thing to bring together. Car rental, one of the first services that you give your tourist, your visitor to the country, and then connect that with something which really gives meaning to the experience.
We're trying to be different. We just don't want to be a car rental. We want to sell experience. I think where we are right now is a perfect location where even locals, they can see us.
Mamba is very excited. I mean, obviously this is a huge showcase for him in the middle of Cape Town, and we want to reach out and do more.
I've been doing this art for the past like 25 years. I like to experiment a lot. I use any medium. I use wood, stone, metal, bronze, anything, like sometimes mixing the two. The wood is made out of car parts, you know, like just found different car parts, and it's like a jigsaw puzzle. When you see like two parts together, it's like they just come along, and then it's like it was meant to be, you know, like a jigsaw puzzle almost.
If you look at his animals, the elephants over there, it's a proper living elephant. It's not a pile of car parts, it's a being. And all the beings in this space are talking to each other right now.
The car parts, sometimes they just come together and you are surprised, how did this come together? The same thing when I met John, it just came together.
We want to use this opportunity to make it possible for a lot of people to reach a bigger public. The majority of our clientele during summer season is international.
Wiggle Car Hire has really the personal touch. That's why I keep coming back. The best way to see the Cape is in a cabrio, because you've got nothing between you and the blue sky.
I must say, I mean, the experience that we give to our guests, don't think they would have enjoyed the experience as much without a Wiggle vehicle.
I'm going to buy the baboon. The baboon is mine, so for the record, it's mine.
I would shout Wiggle Car Hire anytime. And I'll tell you, drive something different anytime.
Yeah, the Jaguar is my favorite car.
It's going to give new meaning to what it is to take a nice car out and enjoy Cape Town, I think.